Hi guys, and welcome to or welcome back to the No Gluten Zone. If you're new here, I create content for people with what I call food issues, and that can be intolerances, sensitivities, allergies, or just autoimmune issues that affect your diet. Today, I'm making a super easy peasy chicken casserole that I threw together, and I love it. And it's just great when you're short on stuff. It's stuff you usually have on hand, and you can pull it off in a snap. Hi guys, I just wanted to interrupt your video for one moment. First, I wanted to say a huge thank you to all the people who did subscribe and helped me meet my goal of 500 subscribers. And now I'm onward in my journey and hoping to get more subscribers. So if you're viewing this and you're not subscribed, I would so appreciate if you would consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. That way I know how to plan for future videos. Thank you so much. I so appreciate each and every one of my viewers and subscribers out there. Now back to your video. So we're going to start with our dish. You can use a metal one. I have a glass one. And I'm going to line this with parchment paper. You can oil it, butter it, aluminum foil it, parchment, whatever, however you normally deal with your pans. One trick, if you are using parchment and you have a hard time getting it in there, crumple it up first. Then you uncrumple and mold it into the pan. Okay, first thing is rice. I just cover the bottom of it with rice. This is cooked rice, just to specify. So I spread the rice out in there. Next up is broccoli. This is frozen and actually just partially thawed. You could use fresh, you could steam it. You could probably put it in here frozen, maybe cook it a couple extra minutes. But I'm just gonna lay this out over the rice. So there is the broccoli over the rice. Next step is canned chicken. You could use fresh chicken if you cook it beforehand. This is going to be cooked chicken in this casserole, but I'm using canned chicken and I drained out the liquid, and I'm just going to put it over the top of the rice and broccoli. And these are 12.5-ounce cans, and I'm using 2 of them, so 25 ounces of canned chicken. And then if you saw my previous video, if you missed my previous video on how to make this sauce, I will put a link to it in the description box. But this is my life-changing sauce. And I'm going to pour it all over the top of this. I actually don't even need that spoon. I'm just going to pour it. Then I'm going to sprinkle cheese on top. I have mozzarella and cheddar. I love that combination. I've talked about that before. You could wait and add your cheese closer to the end of the cooking time if you wanted to. I kind of like it when it's fully cooked on. And it's as simple as that. Now I'm going to bake this in a 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for 40 to 50 minutes. And I'll check on it at 40 and see how well it is. So I'll meet you back here in 40 to 50 minutes. Welcome back. The casserole is done. It baked for 40 minutes and it looks like that. So the cheese has like a crunchiness on top. The sauce is really creamy. The broccoli gives it really nice texture. The chicken is in there and the rice too. Perfect. So, so good. You really got to try this recipe. And please leave me comments below and let me know how you liked it. Have a great day, guys, and God bless you.